Xumo TV buffering happens when your internet can't deliver video data fast enough for smooth playback. This is often due to speed, bitrate, or Wi-Fi channel issues. To fix it, start with a speed test using tools like Ookla's speed test. For HD streaming, aim for at least 5 Mbps. 4K requires 25 Mbps or more. Next, understand bitrate. Xumo adjusts this dynamically, but if it exceeds your connection speed, buffering occurs. Finally, consider your Wi-Fi channel. Use a stable 5 GHz channel for faster speeds and lower latency. If buffering persists, move on to optimizing your settings, upgrading your internet plan, or contacting support. First, perform a speed test to diagnose your internet speed. Use tools like Ookla's speed test. For HD streaming, you need at least 5 Mbps, and for 4K, 25 Mbps or more. If your speed is below these levels, consider upgrading your internet plan. Next, ensure your Wi-Fi is optimized. Switch to a 5 GHz channel to minimize interference. Channels 36 to 48 are often less congested, providing faster speeds and lower latency. As a last resort, manually cap the bitrate within the Xumo app settings to match your internet capabilities. This may sacrifice video quality, but ensures smoother playback without buffering. If issues continue, contact your internet service provider to address potential network problems. Xumo is actively working on AI-driven solutions to predict and prevent buffering, potentially resolving most issues by 2026.